What is up, Lowheat fam? What is up? You got some new sneaks in today from the Three Stripe brand. And I'm going to see how this video... I'm going to try to keep this video short. I don't know, do you guys like shorter videos? Do you like longer videos? The average view length is like a minute, less than a minute on my videos. And a lot of my videos are well over 10. So I don't know. I don't know what that means. Let me know in the comments. I also ask people to let me know in the comments all the time about stuff, and no one ever addresses it. So probably going to ignore that. The one thing you shouldn't ignore is your standard subscribe if you like these unboxings and low heat reviews. You should subscribe. You don't have to like, actually. You know, if you don't like the content, that's fine. You can dislike it. But if you do like it, definitely subscribe. And I do think that has an impact because I think if I never said it, probably 0 people would subscribe. And a couple of you actually have. So anyways, on to this. Today we have the Yeezy Boost 700 in the blue colorway. These just dropped recently. And I was fortunate enough to hit... I signed up for an okay amount of raffles. Nothing crazy. I didn't go super hard after these. But I did sign up on Confirmed. And you know what? I got my order confirmed. How do you like that? Sheesh. Look at these. Wow. Look at these. So back to story time. Yes, I signed up on a Confirmed. I'm now at the icon level, so maybe I hit on these because I'm at the icon level. Maybe you people can let me know in the comments if that's a guaranteed win if you're at the icon level. I don't think it is. But ever since I've been an icon, I've hit on these, which I'll get to in a second. And I then hit on these. So, and those were fairly hyped releases. I mean, nothing crazy, but I mean, a lot of people, you know, they sold out, both these and these. So I don't know if that had an influence, but I definitely hit. I've had some pretty good luck on Confirmed. So, you know, they're doing it way better than sneakers is. So shout out to Adidas on that front. Way better. Get your shit together, Nike and sneakers. So first off, I like this model. I like the silhouette. I think these were a little bit more popular when the bulky, high fashion sole and dad shoe were in. This isn't quite as in anymore in style. So that being said, this is one of my favorite Yeezy silhouettes. I got the Inertia way back when. I really liked that one. Sold that, unfortunately. Or maybe I even returned it. God, I'm such an idiot. Back in the day, I think I returned either a pair of Yeezy 350s or these once, just because they weren't reselling for a ton at the time. And with Adidas, you can return within 7 days. Anyways, that was dumb of me. But if you watched any of my other videos where I unbox Yeezys, I just can't... I don't really mess with Kanye. He's just a little too out there for me. I can't separate the art from the artist. So apologize all you Kanye fans. I just, you know, he's a bit much sometimes. A bit of a wannabe cult leader. So I don't think I can keep these. I want to keep these. Maybe I'll keep them in just like an investment, see if they go up. Probably not. They're going to keep making colorways of these. But like if you have parts with Adidas, I could see all of the Yeezys going up across the board a little bit. Or maybe, you know, he turns a new leaf one day and all of a sudden I like him again, and then I can wear these. But my near thought is I'll probably sell these. That way I can keep buying other shoes, help fund this YouTube channel. Again, reason to subscribe if you like these unboxings and reviews. Encourage me to do so by subscribing. So my initial thought is I'm going to part with these in the near future, but I really do like these. I like the sun colorway that came out, maybe even a touch better, but these are super clean. What do you guys think? I like these. I like this this orange color, and as I said, I really like the Inertias. I just can't hold on to these. Also, let me know in the comments too if you're still watching, if you guys can separate the art from the artists. Or are you like me and just like, nah, I just can't do it. Can't do it. These, let's see here. My phone storage is running low, so I'm going to try to hurry this up. I said I would keep it short, and I'm failing to do so. So, watch my unboxing video of these, the Sean Witherspoon ZX. I think these are 8000s, ZX 8000s. I did an unboxing video recently. Check that out. I might do a wear review on these. Initial thoughts for you loyal viewers and subscribers. Initial thoughts, these run just a tad big, and they will stretch since it's natural materials and not synthetic or leather. So I would go true to size, maybe even half size down if you like a snugger fit. So that's one thing. These tongues I didn't talk about in the unboxing video, a little interesting. And the strings I talked about in the unboxing video, I didn't cut them off. I'm just letting them get haggard, ratty, and gross. And it's not that big of a deal so far. So anyways, I'll do a more thorough wear review down the road here if you guys want. Or maybe I'll just do it. I never hear from you guys. So let me do a quick try on of these Yeezys. Look at the socks even matching. Can I get a like? Can I get a thumbs up for matching the socks here? In my unboxing video, I say what socks to pair with those. I'm not going to tell you here because you should go watch it. But yeah. Okay, let's put these on quick before I run out of memory. If I do, I apologize. Remember to like and subscribe. As I've said before in videos, I'm selling these dead stock. I know I put these on. I tried them on, but I'm not going to walk around them. And I'm literally going to do this and then take them off. I don't know. These look... The first time I tried on the Inertias, they looked a little bulky. Maybe I'm just used to it now, but these look pretty fire. I mean, these look sick. It's going to be tough parting with these, but I got to. These do run a little tight. I would go half size up, even though they're bulky, even though they're big. I can feel it just like hugs the foot a decent amount. So definitely go half size up on these, just like you would the 350s. I feel like Yeezys run a little small. I think that's probably standard knowledge, but if you don't know it, there you go. So what do you guys think about these? I think they're dope, but I just can't bring myself to hang on to them, so I'll probably part with them. But these I do think are fire. They are reselling for a bit over retail, but nothing crazy. I mean, I personally wouldn't spend $400 on them. But, if you really like them, if they're in the 300 range, then maybe pull the trigger. So, yeah. All right, we'll see you guys soon.